Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to PayPal. Well, usually if we're going to redeem our gift card balance, we go to the account section here on the Amazon website. And from here, you're going to click on the gift cards right here. And then as you can see your gift card balance and clicking on this redeem a gift card, and just have to enter the claim code and then click on apply to your balance. But as you can see right from here, once applied to your Amazon account, it says the entire gift card amount will be added to your gift card balance. Your gift card balance, including Amazon Reload, does not expire and can't be transferred to other accounts used to buy other gift cards or as except as required by law, redeem for cash. So if you recently paid for a part of purchase using a gift card and that item is not yet shipped, then any new funds added to your gift card balance up to the full purchase amount will be applied to the order once it's shipped. Right? So as you can see, we're going to review the terms and conditions right from here. So currently, you will not be able to use gift card balances in other platforms. So we don't have direct options here to transfer the gift card balances to other account, including the PayPal. But we have indirect way on how you can transfer gift card balance to other account. So if you have Amazon gift card balance and you want to transfer it to your PayPal, basically you can use or you can just trade it to your friends or ask your friends to trade it. For example, if you have the gift card balance, so right here you can use that gift card balance to buy a products, an e-gift cards or a physical products, and then you can basically trade it to your friends' PayPal balance. So this is the only way here to basically transfer that Amazon gift card balance to your PayPal. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.